We are pleased to show you the 2025 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.